2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey everyone, welcome to week 1, day 4 of Sing for Hull. My name is Shelley Gabriel, I work for Hull Music Service, and today we are going to be looking at some different craft ideas that we can use in our performance on Friday at 1:30. But first things first, fun fact of the day. My fun fact is about tigers, and tigers can reach up to 370 kilos in weight. That's the equivalent of 10 10-year-olds. That's heavy. Also, they can reach up to 3.5 meters long. That's the equivalent of 3 10-year-olds stacked on top of each other. Pretty big. So a nice easy craft we can all make at home is a mask. Now there's lots of tiger template masks that you can download off the internet, or you can get even more creative and draw the face of a tiger yourself. That's what I've done. Now all I need to do is cut him out and put some elastic or a bit of a stick on the back, and I've got a tiger mask. Easy peasy. So I hope you all enjoyed Mr. Proctor's video on guitars and learning how to play the riff earlier in the week. I really like to play that riff and I really want to join in, but I don't have a guitar in my house, so I thought I would make one. I've actually made 2. The first one I've made is a slightly easier version, and it's definitely made with everything that you have in your house. So this is the first one. All you need is a paper plate and a piece of card. Now just cut the card to look like the neck. I've drawn on the strings and coloured in the hole. And then you can decorate it however you want. I've stuck some birds on mine, but stickers, paint, colouring, everything would look amazing. But my favourite guitar that we're going to make today together is this one. Okay. Things you're going to need. First thing you're going to need is a box. A cereal box, any type of box will do. A kitchen roll tube or a toilet roll tube. Something circular to draw around. A pencil, scissors, sellotape, and some wool or elastic bands or string or anything that you've got in the house. If you don't have this, it's fine, you can just draw it on. Okay? So, the first thing we need to do is get our box. And we're going to create the hole in the middle of the guitar. So, we're going to get our circular object, pop it on our box, and draw around it. Easy peasy. Now this bit you might want to get an adult to help you with. Adults, be careful. You're going to get a pair of scissors and you're going to cut this hole out. If you don't want to cut it out, you can just colour it in black or any other colour and it'll look just the same. So the easiest way to cut a hole out, put a hole in the middle, being careful. And you do lots of little cuts across the circle to the edge. Once you've made lots of little cuts in that circle, you can then cut them all out and it'll create a nice hole in your box. Okay, so you should now have a box with a hole in it. I've also put a hole in the top of mine. This is so I can put the neck of the guitar in it, like this, later on. But if you don't want to put a hole in, you don't have to. What you can do is snip the ends and creating a fan effect. You can then glue or sellotape all those fan bits onto the top and it'll stick like that. Okay, now the fun bit. This is the decorating. You can decorate it however you want. Paint, colours, glue and glitter, make it as bright and colourful as possible. I have drawn a tiger print, which I'm going to stick on and cover my box in tiger print. Don't forget to decorate the neck. Okay, once we've decorated the box, now we need to start adding the strings. Now, Mr. Proctor gave us a saying to help us remember how many strings there were. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So we need to add 6 strings to our guitar. So what you're going to have to do, either with some help from an adult, adults be careful, or you can just sellotape them on if that's easier. You need to create 6 holes underneath the circle and 6 holes near the top of your neck. Okay, now I've done 4 up here, so let me do 2 more. 4, 5, 6. And what you're going to do is thread the wool or the string or whatever you've got through the hole. Sometimes you need to give it a little bit of help, maybe with a pencil. Oh, I've got it. Now what I need to do is to tie 3 or 4 knots. I'm going to go for 3, I think. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully that's enough. So now when I pull on this bit of wool, it'll stay in the bottom of my box. Now I just need to do exactly the same to the top, 6 times, and I've got my 6 strings. The one thing to be careful of is to make sure that the wool or the string is all the same length. So when you put your neck in the top of your guitar, like this, they'll all match up. So make sure you measure that bit carefully, okay? So hopefully you now have something that looks a little bit like this. So all we have to do now is put the neck of the guitar into that hole we made on the top of the box. So we just slide it in, give it a little wiggle, and there we go. Our very own handmade Eye of the Tiger themed guitar. Now you can always add a few more things if you want to. So on this one, I've added some pegs on the top of the guitar that holds the strings. And on this one, I've added the bridge at the bottom, just with a bit of straw. We'd love to see what you've been making, so please tweet us at Home Music Hub, and I really look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 1:30 to sing Eye of the Tiger all together right here on the Home Music Service YouTube channel. Right, better go practice my moves.